Alright, everyone. Let's try to deep dive into the is a new problem. It's not a problem. It's a project type video. So I'm trying to create a project type video. So this is the problem about the data camp. So they give me the problem. This sorry. Okay. They give me a project type of problem to very street. Okay. This is type. So I already solved this problem and I already submitted. So my solution. Okay. Sorry, I'm not gonna show you. Okay, this was my solution, and I already submitted. But now I create this video to help you understand. This reason I already write comment. So that was my solution. This was optional. So whatever. So let's dive in the problem. This problem about that, like a project about that. Create a chatbot using OpenAI generated response to following Paris tourist question. Like we need to create a customized chatbot. They give Paris tourism. Like this is the first question and second question and third question. I'm not going to. Okay, let's try. Create a list, conversation, role, conversation, and system, and temperature will be okay 0 to 0, and max token 100. Okay, and this was the code demo. Okay, now here our notebook. As a AI developer, you select the Paris reality tourism and understand project, and you are OpenAI created. So create virtual Paris expert safety iconic seconds. So this was uh, correct. Okay, let's deep dive the problem. I hope you understand. Let's dive to code. So this code already gives data game. So here the input with I just input this with, and this was from OpenAI, input OpenAI, just OpenAI. So their model and client OpenAI. So that's it. Let's first try to write this code. Let's start with it. So first we need to go question. So we add a question and we just created this. And we just give the question, first question about this. So I just go and copy and paste. So this was first question. And second question, let's go to the second question. We just go to the second question. This is the second question. Done. And this is the fourth question. We just go to the fourth question. Okay, the fourth question plus the fourth question. Okay. Now what they said, conversation. So we just need to create this. Let's type to this page. So just create a conversation. We give the okay, whatever. We just copy this. We can copy it. No, whatever. Just write. Don't waste time. Just go row and just row, and we just give the system. Okay. That was the first. Then we give the content. It's not a mistake. It's a mistake. And then go to the content. Yeah, just give the content. This content. The content what will be you are the part of the Paris tourism, that like that. Okay, I will give you. Okay, so then go the for loop question in question. So S. Why I made a mistake? I just give S. Okay, this is the question. The question. So we need to add history. So we just go to the conversation, go to the appen, and we need to be add the history. So we're gonna be add the history. So now we just go to the app. So what we do, that's already they tell us that be the role. So role will be user, and then we go to the content. The content will be question, right? Question will be question. I hope it's right. Yeah, question. So then it's perfect. Now we go to the response. Okay, let's go to the responses. Responses, and we just client chat completion. Just go there and go here, and we just call for model. So we model that we model already selected. So model will be model, and then we go to the model. Then we go to the temperature. Temperature. So temperature will be 0 by 0, and then then we go to the max token. What is this token? This is max token. Max token. So we give the 100. Okay, that is done. Then we go to the system manager. So we need to create a assistant. We made one mistake. We not saying the message, so I just fixed there. I found it. So we message. We need to send conversation. That's perfect now. Okay, that was a mistake. And now we need to add a extra system. There is a pivot. We just create an extra system, but we need to add data set. So we just go to conversation dot append. Then we just go to append. So we just go the row, and will be user, and there is a mistake. So I just got, and then I write. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, whatever. Just try to write here content. The content will be system. Okay, that is the perfect. And we just need to print here. So we print. Then we work it. So first of all, I need to check everything is work. If I find any mistake before run, then I try to check it. Just give me